Hey guys, so I've already reached at the Golden Prawn right now. So I'm perspiring right now, very hot as always. Everywhere in Asia is very hot. So this is the seafood place. I will show you guys. It's just behind me. Let me turn the camera around. There you go, Golden Prawn Batam. So let's go inside. Over here is actually a lot of fresh seafood, so you can choose your seafood. So right now I'm just one person, so I'm not gonna order so much. Maybe about 2 or 3 dish. So behind me is my friend. So this is my friend here. So my friend, so he's the one who always like help me to choose the fresh seafood. So later we're gonna go there and I'm gonna take a seat first, and then I'm gonna go there and, you know, choose the seafood. You can see my face so shiny because it's sweaty, and I got, actually in Golden Prawn I come here before and I know the person here, so usually I will ask him to actually catch for me, so he will choose for me the best seafood here. So this is the guy. Yeah, now he's getting for me the prawn. Guys, right now the best thing to do in Golden Prawn 933 seafood place in Batam, you know what is it? What's my favorite thing to do? Actually, to feed the fish. Let me show you the fish. Can you guys see the fish inside? Let me just take the rice, because they always give one tub of rice. This is the tub, and I'm one person. Oh my god. See how much rice they give? So you can get this rice, then you watch whether anybody is looking, because there's nobody here. There's somebody there. Yeah, there's nobody. So I will take this rice. Can you see this rice? And then I will just throw it inside. Okay, let's wait for the fish to come. Is there any fish? Can you guys see the fish? The fish will start to come slowly. There, you can see the fish, right? Okay, let me throw more food. Let me throw more rice. Okay, this rice here. Oh, the fish is coming. The fish is coming. There's more and more fishes. You guys see? So let's see how many fish will come. Let's take more rice. So guys, actually I got an idea after I eat the food, right? I got one idea that I want to do. Is actually go to one of the hotel with sauna and also swimming pool. Because the hotel that I stay in, there's no swimming pool or there's no sauna, because it's just a cheap hotel that I stay. So I'm gonna go to the hotel with sauna and swimming pool, and I'm gonna invade and then I pretend that I have a room there. So let's see after I eat my food. So I'll wait for my food and then I'll show you guys my food first. Then after that, I'll take a Gojek to a nearby hotel or somewhere. I will search a hotel that have a sauna and swimming pool, and I'll head there because I actually plan it to go swimming pool to any one of the hotel. I brought my towel and also my shorts, so I'm gonna go and find a hotel and invade. Alright guys, my food is all here, so I will show you guys. So I got these 3 dishes because I'm just one person, so I do not want to over order much food. So I got myself prawn. This is the prawn, it's butter prawn, and then black pepper crab. Here's the black pepper crab. Looks delicious, huh? And then sambal squid. This is a sambal squid. So I'm gonna enjoy my food and see you guys after I've eaten my food. And that's my friend over there. Yep. So he's coming over here. That's my friend. He's coming. Let me see, let me ask his name. So what is your name?
Eric.
Eric, okay, so his name is Eric. So if you want to come here, you can find him. So you can ask him to help you find the best seafood. So right now that I think he's gonna check like whether all my food is here. So yeah. Eric. Okay. Come on. Good. The seafood, if you guys want to know how much it costs for the 3 dish, is estimated about 20 Sing dollar, which is quite reasonable and cheap because it's supposed to be like $18. I just asked them to like keep the change because they provide a very good service, so you guys can come here and try. Because in Batam, usually seafood is one of the cheapest food that you can get fresh. Otherwise, now I already booked a Grab bike. I'm waiting for it about 3 minutes. So hopefully it's coming here in a few minutes. Alright guys, I already reached the hotel. So right now I'm just gonna bypass the registration area and then go ahead and take the lift up all the way to the swimming pool. Okay, so I'll just show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm now right now bypassed the registration and now I'm going up to the swimming pool. Alright? So let's see, let's go up and see. Alright, see you upstairs. Okay guys, now I'm going up to the 6th story in the lift. Okay, let's do it. Let's go swimming. Waiting for it to open. So this is a swimming pool. There's nobody here. There's nobody. So the swimming pool is here. I think there's somebody like resting away. I'll be going into the swimming pool later. Okay, there's a gym here. There's a gym inside here. And then inside there's sauna. It's here. So I just turned on the lights and also the heater. So this is it inside, it's quite dark. Okay, let the thing heat up. I'm gonna go swimming first. Just close this door. Okay, so I'm gonna go swimming. Okay, so see you guys in the swimming pool. Alright guys, I'm already in the swimming pool. So I'm just gonna swim for a while and then I catch you guys when I go into the sauna. Oh, it feels so good, it feels so cooling after the hot weather. Alright. Guys, so now I'm in the sauna. I swam like 15 minutes to 20 minutes just to make the sauna hot now. So it's kind of warm. So after this, I'm gonna go somewhere else. Maybe to some beach or something. And then I'll catch you guys on the next place that I go to, alright? See, my eyes are red already after swimming like 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so catch you guys at the next place, alright? Alright guys, so I decided that I want to go to actually Barelang to go and do some fishing. So I'll take a Grab car instead. So I've already got a Grab car and I did change my money. So usually to go to Barelang, a lot of people, taxi driver will just have to wait there. Just have to wait there and wait for me to finish. Maybe I'll just do it like for 2 hours and then I will head back to Nagoya shopping center to do something else. So this is the taxi driver. Yeah. So he said he's willing to wait for me to do fishing. So maybe I can ask him to fish also along with me. Alright, so I will see you guys at the fishing area. It will take roughly about 45 to an hour journey to the Barelang Beach. Alright guys, I've already reached the fishing place. So right now I'm gonna get a rod. So fishing video, I will do a second part. So catch me in my second video, a second part video, so that I will show you all about the fishing in Barelang. So yep, so hopefully you guys can subscribe and like this video, because I think this video has been like quite a while. So right now I'm just gonna do a part 2 for the fishing. Alright guys, see you in the next video.